I've entitled this video "The Next Crypto Bull Run is About to Start, and here's the crypto you need to get right now." I'm kind of old school. I've been around for quite a while in the investing world. This is not investment advice. This is simply something for you to have a think about and to see if there's something you might want to get involved with. Caveat at the front, I do own crypto in this particular crypto token that I'm about to illustrate for you, which I believe has huge potential. Now, in the world of investing, timing is everything. We've all heard the stories of people who got in on Amazon early, rode the wave in its meteoric rise. Well, today I'm going to tell you about another opportunity that could be just as explosive, if not more so. I believe the next crypto bull run is about to start. In fact, it may have already started. And there's one cryptocurrency you need to pay attention to right now, and that's Gala Music. So let's put it in a bit of context first of all. In the late 1990s, Amazon was riding high. It was the darling of the dot-com boom, with investors flocking to buy its stock. But then came the infamous dot-com bubble burst of 2000. Amazon's stock lost 90% of its value, in fact over 90% of its value. And people doubted whether e-commerce had a future, with many critics saying online retail was nothing more rather than a passing trend. There were lots of people very cynical and skeptical. But I saw the internet in the mid-1990s. I thought, this is going to utterly change the world. So what those other people missed was that Amazon was quietly building the infrastructure that would revolutionize the world of shopping. Jeff Bezos focused on creating a seamless, customer-focused experience while expanding Amazon's reach. It took several years for people to realize that Amazon was actually changing the landscape of retail forever. A lot of people look back in hindsight and think, if only I had seen it then. And when Amazon did change the landscape of retail forever, Amazon became one of the most valuable companies on the planet. Now fast forward today, and we're seeing something eerily similar play out with what's called NFTs and blockchain technology. Just like during the dot-com crash, the hype around NFTs has fizzled out. We are in that burst moment of the bubble with NFTs. However, prices have fallen and lots of people have lost interest, and the mainstream media is filled with skepticism. But here's the crucial part. Gala Music are quietly laying the foundation for a digital revolution. Gala Music is transforming how we consume and own content like music. Just like Amazon did with retail, Gala is poised to redefine how we think about digital ownership of music. One of the biggest hurdles standing in the way for mass adoption, though, for NFTs and cryptocurrency is the complexity of using them. Let's be real, most people find managing crypto wallets, dealing with private keys and understanding gas fees to be confusing and off-putting. But here's where I see the game-changing moment coming. We're on the brink of technological advancements that could make dealing with crypto as simple as using your phone. Imagine being able to manage your digital assets with passkeys, something as easy as scanning your face or fingerprint. Once this happens, millions of new users could flood into this space, pushing the value of key cryptos like Gala Music to new heights. Now, there's another critical point. Crypto has historically seen its best performance in Q4, October, November and December. Year after year, Q4 tends to be when the biggest gains are made in the crypto market. You can research that yourself if you want, if you don't believe me, but it's true. This isn't just speculation, it's a trend we've seen consistently over the last decade. So, as we approach Q4 now, the timing couldn't be better to position yourself ahead of what could be the next big bull run, especially in a small altcoin such as Gala Music. There is also a link below if you want to find out what Gala Music is all about, where you can actually own music, digital assets. Then do use my link below because that will give me a small bonus for you if you get actually involved with Gala Music. Now, if you think back to Amazon, those who bought its stock after it plummeted during the dot-com bubble are the ones who reaped the rewards. Similarly, with the next crypto bull run likely to be around the corner, now is the time to get in on Gala Music. So why Gala Music? Well, much like Amazon transformed retail, Gala is about to transform digital music ownership. When you buy a music track on Gala Music, you're not just supporting the artist, you actually own that track as an NFT, with the potential to earn from it, resell it, and benefit from its growing popularity. Gala Music is creating an ecosystem where your personal listening, along with others listening to your purchased music, can generate real, true value. And as the platform scales and more artists and listeners join, the demand for Gala Music tokens could soar. Still early days, and just like Amazon in the early 2000s, we're at a point where the true value is not yet fully recognized by the masses. If you had invested in Amazon in 2001 after it lost 90% of its value, you'd be sitting on a fortune today. The same opportunity exists right now with Gala Music and NFTs. While many are skeptical and unsure of the future, those who can see the long-term potential and are willing to invest early could stand to benefit enormously. And with Q4 typically being the most explosive time for crypto, and the main cryptos, Bitcoin and Ethereum, if they go up by a small amount, the altcoins can go up by a huge amount. There's no better time than now to take advantage of this window. As crypto gains momentum with its technology breakthrough, and it becomes more easy for people to handle crypto, then more would recognize the potential of owning NFTs, and Gala Music could surge in value. So if you're looking for the next big opportunity in the world of crypto, pay attention to Gala Music. Just like how Amazon rebounded and changed the world, Gala Music and its ecosystem could be the next game-changing opportunity. The next crypto bull run is about to start. If it hasn't already started, now is the time to position yourself for the future. If you'd like to learn about other great opportunities as well, do subscribe to my channel, and if you found this a useful insight, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.